Hello, this is Steve from Beato's Leatherworks, and today's project is this Gucci shoes. What we're going to do is we're going to reline the footbed, recover the heel block, put new soles, and general condition and polish cleanup. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start by removing the insole here. Hopefully it'll have some screws underneath it to remove the heel block. It's underneath there somewhere. So the heel block's off. Now we're going to remove the sole. I mean, it doesn't come apart that easily. I pried it a couple of times around the edges. Magic of video. Looks like it came up so easily. So once the sole's removed, we're going to keep this for a pattern because we want to duplicate the shank area, the arch area there, just like what you got, just like the original. And then we're going to remove these straps, and then we're going to start taking the footbed apart and recovering that. This is turpentine I'm putting on here, like thinner. It's just to loosen the glue so the leather cover can come off easily, so I don't tear anything. Well, not that it matters if it's torn because I'm going to replace it anyway, but it's easier to disassemble it if the glue is loosened up a little bit. Alright, let's continue. Alright, it's as easy as that. Looks like the padding is not in bad shape. Maybe we'll put a small piece right here to reinforce that so you don't see the crack when the leather covers it. Alright, so we've cleaned up the footbed and we've got the leather for it. Also, we've got the heel cover. And then we'll continue. Alright, so at this stage we've got the footbed covered. We've got the heel block covered. So we'll attach straps back and then cut a piece of leather to make a sole. Alright. Alright. So at this stage, we've got the straps attached. We've got the sole done. Now I've got an embossing machine that I emboss these names back on. Gucci, made in Italy, and then the size 38. To make it look as close as possible to the original. I mean, it's not a necessity, it's just for looks. And then once the heel block comes on, we'll put a top lift on it, and then we'll cut her a new insole that covers those details where the nails are. Well, the nails are going to be to attach the heel block, and then we're done. Alright, let's continue. Alright, welcome back. So we're done with this project. I was going to make a new cover right here and stamp it in gold to match the buckle, but I decided to keep the original piece of leather there. I don't know why, I just figured to keep the original one. Alright, so as you can see, we've got new footbed, new heel block cover, new top lift, obviously new soles, and there's really not much else with the sandal that required replacement or repair. So here's your before and after. All right. I hope you enjoyed my video. We'll see you again next time.